using Google Drive's app. So you'll go to your Drive from your calendar page. When it opens, you'll see a link at the bottom that says Download Drive for PC. When you click it, you'll click Run, and you will need your CRS's installation login and password. If you don't have that, you'll need to contact them to get it. Once you do all of that, then you'll see the Google Drive appear in your computer. So the same way that you would access your H drive or you would access your flash drive, you go down here to the file folder box and it opens up. You see here I've got my H drive visible, but if I look up here, you'll see the Google Drive. And the Google Drive has all the same folders in it that my Google Drive has on the web because they're linked together. So if I want to move information from my H drive to my Google Drive, what I'll do is I'm going to right click on my H drive and I'm going to say open in a new window. And I'm going to pull this one to one side and I'm going to pull this one to the other side, and they're side by side. Now what I can do to add information, transfer information that I have stored on a flash drive or an H drive, is all I have to do is drag and drop. So here's my permission slip for All City Chorus. I'm going to drag this over to the sample folder and it says copy. I drag it and then you'll see a little blue arrow, circle arrow pop up there. That means that this folder is syncing. When it becomes a red check or green check, it means that is now uploaded to this folder. And then if I were to access that same folder on the web, we would see All City Chorus permission slip on the web as well. So what it does is a very simple service. It provides you a cloud storage to access any documents that you might have previously had stored on your H drive. Now, why is this better than your H drive or your flash drive? You can embed through an HTML code your Google Drive onto a website. So for example, my Chorus website, I have a link that says Share Drive. You click on that and it takes my students and parents directly to the Chorus's Share Drive folder. This folder has all of our information, all of our bell ringers, any paperwork, forms, permission slips, course expectations, warm-ups, anything like that is on our Share Drive. Now you can upload individually all of these documents onto a wiki space or onto a website, and they can access it the same way. But you have to save it to your computer, and then you have to individually upload each of those files to your wiki space. By embedding your Share Drive folder into your wiki space or your website, every time you upload anything to that folder, it is automatically updated to that website. Now, if you never had to upload a second time, if you simply just saved it to that folder to begin with, that's eliminating a step altogether. So what we currently do, most of us do, is we create a document, we save it to our H drive or our flash drive, and if we use a SkyDrive, we upload it to a SkyDrive. If we don't, we upload it to the website that we use, website or wiki space. By using the Google Drive and embedding that folder into my website, I eliminate the entire first step. All I do is create the document, save it to my drive, and I'm done. Anything I save to my drive automatically appears in the folders that I have embedded in those websites. And it is truly as simple as drag and drop. And then those things sync and they're done. Now the very first time you use Google Drive, if you are trying to migrate all of your information, it can take some time. But once you've migrated all of your files, migrating one file at a time, you just watched it happen. It takes about 2 seconds. I drag it, I drop it, and it's done. The red check or the green check appears right there. So when you're using it for individual files, the way we would use our flash drive every day, it takes no time at all, and it eliminates the possibility of you losing data, and it eliminates the possibility of you losing your jump drive altogether, and it also creates a virtually indestructible backup for you to use as a teacher.